The moon has been our faithful companion for over 4 billion years, but it is still one of the most enigmatic objects in our neighborhood of the universe. Although it appears to be a plain, desolate rock that circles our planet, recent findings and ancient puzzles indicate that the moon is much stranger than we have ever thought. From its strange orbit and mysterious geological formations to ancient alien architecture hypotheses, the moon continues to ignite curiosity and controversy. One of the earliest secrets of the moon is where it came from. Most commonly proposed, its birth comes with the suggestion that Theia, a Mars-sized world, struck the planet 4.5 billion years ago, propelling debris out that, after some eons, developed into the moon. Some facets of this, however, still go unexplained. The material of lunar rocks is very similar to that of the crust on Earth, but scientists have discovered variations in isotopic signatures indicating that the moon might not have originated entirely from Earth. Might this indicate the moon originated from a different source, even another region of the solar system? The orbit of the moon also shows a peculiarity. In contrast to the majority of moons in the solar system, which orbit their planets with slightly inclined orbits, Earth's moon has a virtually perfect circular orbit and is tidally locked, so we can only ever see one face of it. Some scientists wonder if this is entirely coincidental, or if an unknown force was at work in its motion. In 1969, NASA researcher Dr. Robin Brett memorably declared, "It seems easier to explain the non-existence of the moon than its existence." And then there are the unusual formations seen on the surface of the moon. Amateurs and professional space agencies have found over the years odd-looking structures, towering objects, domed constructions, and even seemingly unnatural geometric patterns. In 1966, a Soviet mission took photos of what appeared to some to be artificial objects, and Apollo astronauts described unusual light flashes on the surface, referred to as transient lunar phenomena. Mainstream scientists explain these as resulting from natural events such as gas release or meteor strikes, but others have speculated that they may be remains of an extinct civilization or even concealed extraterrestrial bases. Adding to the mystery, when in 1969, Apollo 12 astronauts crashed part of the lunar module onto the moon's surface intentionally, seismic equipment picked up reverberations that lasted for almost an hour, prompting some to believe that the moon is abnormally hollow. This spawned the hollow moon theory, which proposes that the moon may be an artificial megastructure, a possible alien observation station. Though scientists generally rule this out, the moon's low density and bizarre seismic activity continue to be a subject of inquiry. Another enigma is the occurrence of water on the moon. It was assumed to be utterly dry for many decades, but recent expeditions have found deposits of ice in permanently shadowed craters at the poles. This poses fascinating questions. How did the water arrive, and might it host future lunar settlements? Some scientists suggest that comets brought the water, and others hypothesize about buried reservoirs under the surface. Easily the most popular conspiracy theories concerning the moon center around cover-ups and secret missions. One set of conspiracy theorists thinks that the Apollo mission learned more from the moon than has ever been released, postulating that astronauts experienced unidentified phenomena or structures which have since been censored. Declassified government documents have revealed that during the Cold War, both the US and Soviet Union considered using the moon for military bases, and some even proposed nuclear tests on its surface. What else might have been hidden from public knowledge? As space agencies plan future moon missions, including NASA's Artemis program and China's ambitious lunar projects, the next decade may finally provide answers to some of these mysteries. With technology, rovers, and possible human colonies, we can soon reveal the moon's actual history. Whether it contains remnants of past cosmic events, unknown geological mechanisms, or something even more sensational, Earth's nearest neighbor is hardly an average rock in space. It could be the key to opening doors to mysteries about our own world and the wider universe beyond.